everyone, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and today I am going to be reviewing the Inmotion Climber. That's right, I've got this dual motor electric scooter that I'm going to be talking about today, so stick around. Alright guys, now the Inmotion Climber, it climbs hills with ease, just as it says right here on the scooter. It was designed with the challenging terrain of San Francisco in mind. It comes with dual motors at 750 watts each. So collectively, you have 1,500 watts of power in this scooter. Now, because it has so much power, it is a reliable means of transportation, especially for our urban adventurers that want to climb up those hills and any other kind of rocky terrain. You will be able to navigate with confidence and with ease. This scooter was also built to be hassle-free on those rainy days. It has a rating of IP56. So you can ride this thing in light rain. You can also ride it through some shallow puddles, so it's not recommended. You might even consider this e-scooter one of the most waterproof scooters on the market right now. Now, this scooter does have a modular design and spit rim technology, so it makes the climber easy to maintain and prevents you from having to stuck in tire replacement. Now, this scooter has a max speed of 23.7 miles per hour. The max slope that it can climb is a 36% angle. The max range of miles is 35. It can handle 286.6 pounds of weight, and the scooter itself weighs 45.8 pounds. The tire size itself is 10 inches and is made of a good quality rubber. The wheels also have a rating of IP56, so it can withstand some dust and it can handle light rain from all directions. Now again, you do not want to submerge this scooter in water. The brakes are electronic and disc brakes, and it has a single brake lever on the left side. Now, a couple of features that I like on the scooter, it does have these handlebar grips that have a geometric pattern, which is something I've never seen before. It also has the thumb throttle on the right side, and over here on the left side of the handlebars, it does have a little bell. The overall color is nice and neutral, but I like the little details, the little pop of orange that we have going on here. Here on the thumb throttle, you've got some orange. You've got an orange wire that wraps around. You've got the orange on the wheels as well. You also have a working headlight and a working tail light. Overall, this scooter was built with twice the power for twice as much fun. So let's go ahead and take this out and see how it performs.